Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Google Chrome sync issues. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are Google Chrome, if you are facing the issue with your Google Chrome sync issues, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix these issues. In this, the first method is you have to just open your Chrome browser. Click on this three dot, then click on settings. Just you have to scroll down. Last you will find settings. Click on that. After that you will find here turn on sync. Once you have to turn it on. I have not signed in my email ID, so it is asking to sign in. After signing, you have to just turn your sync on and turn off again and check after doing this. Hope your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then try the second method. You have to just clear your browsing data. You can search from here, or you can directly click on privacy and security, then click on delete browsing data. Just select all time, then click on delete data, then close this window. After doing this, still you are facing the issue, you can try the third method. You have to reset your Chrome setting. In settings you will find in left side this reset setting option. Click on that, then click on restore settings to their original default. Before resetting, you can read this one. Reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcut, disable extensions, delete cookies and other temporary site data. Bookmark history and saved passwords won't be affected. Means your passwords and bookmarks and history won't be affected after doing these settings. Then click on reset setting, then check. After doing all this, still it is not working, you can try the final method, that is open your Chrome browser, click on this three dot, go to the last option. Here you will find help. After that you will find here about Google Chrome. Click on this. If your Chrome is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating, close your Chrome browser and open it again. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Google Chrome sync issues. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.